All right, this video is on using negative signs when solving equations when the variable is the one that has the negative sign in the front. So we are looking at this first example of negative p equals 6. So we are looking at what to do with that negative sign right there. And the answer is that we're going to treat it like a negative 1. So we're going to take just that space between the negative sign and the variable, and we're going to treat that like a negative 1. So that way we know what to do with it. We know what to do when we see just a negative number. And so we think back to what we did when we were solving other equations. So when we had a coefficient in the front, we either multiplied or divided to get rid of it. So here, because it is a negative 1, you can either multiply or divide, because either way it will cancel out that negative. So I listed the first step is to multiply both sides by negative 1. And so negative 1s on this side are going to cancel out. And then 1 times negative 6 gives you the 6 that you see, the negative 6 that you see on the screen right there. And here's another example of a negative sign in front of the variable. Again, we're going to take it one step at a time, going through the steps that we normally use when we're solving equations. So here we have negative x plus 8 equals 11. Our first step is to subtract the 8. We move anything that is being added or subtracted. So we subtract the 8 from both sides. So that's how we got the 3, and those two cancel out. So negative x equals 3. And then our next step from there is to get rid of that negative sign. And again, I said you can multiply or divide. Either one of those will work, because either way we just need to get rid of this negative 1 that we have right here. And so we can also do that through division, but I also tell you down at the bottom of the screen that you could multiply both sides by negative 1. And that only works, the multiply or divide only works with the negative 1. And I think that's it. That's all that I have for you, just those two examples on using negative signs.